So in this video, we are going to learn how to build an AI agent to automatically detect and remove spam comments from Facebook. Let's say you have a Facebook page or you are running some ad on your Facebook page and you keep on getting some new comments from the user, but a lot of those comments are spam. So in this video, we are going to build an AI agent using which whenever we are going to receive a new comment on our Facebook page or on the ads which we are running on our Facebook page, this AI agent will capture the new comment and send it to AI platform like OpenAI. Using OpenAI, we are going to detect that whether the comment which we have received is a spam or not. And if the comment is spam, this AI agent is automatically going to delete the same comment from our Facebook page post. Now, if you want to learn how you can build this AI agent all by yourself, for that you just have to come with me to my screen.
So as you can see, this is my Facebook page, and on my Facebook page, I keep on getting some new spam comments on a regular basis. Now, in this video, we are going to build an AI agent which will capture each and every comment we get on our Facebook page, or if you're running some ads on your Facebook page, it will capture the new comments from those Facebook ads as well. Then after that, this AI agent will detect that whether the comment which we have received is spam or not. And if it is a spam comment, this AI agent will automatically delete the same comment as well. Now, to build this AI agent, we have to connect our Facebook page with AI platforms like OpenAI. And we are going to use Pabbly Connect to build this AI agent from scratch. So here you can see we are on Pabbly Connect's dashboard, and to reach this dashboard, you will get a free sign-up link in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes. After creating your account and coming to this dashboard, we have to create a workflow for our AI agent. So let's say we'll just click on this create workflow button and give this workflow a name. I would like to name my workflow as AI agent for comment spam detection. You can give any other name as per your choice. Then just select the folder of your Pabbly Connect account in which you want to create this workflow and click on create. As we click on create, here you can see the workflow will open in front of us. In this workflow, we have 2 different windows. First one is the trigger window and second one is the action window. So triggers and actions are basically those 2 concepts, those 2 principles on which this whole automation works on. Where the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. So let's start with our trigger step. Now the idea here is first we have to connect our Facebook page with Pabbly Connect with this AI agent in the trigger step. So that whenever we capture or we receive a new comment on our Facebook page or the ads which we are running on our Facebook page, automatically this AI agent will trigger, it will start. Then this AI agent will send the same comment to AI platforms like OpenAI, and using the AI platform, we are going to detect that whether this comment which we have received is spam or not. And if AI mentioned that this particular comment is spam, then after that, we are going to automatically delete the same comment using the same AI agent. So let's see how it is done. To start with, here in trigger step and choose app, we'll search for Facebook pages and select it because we want to capture the comments from Facebook pages. Then after that, in trigger event from the drop down, select the trigger event as new comment. Then just click on connect and select add new connection. Now here we have to connect our Facebook account, our Facebook page account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, click on Connect with Facebook Pages button. Then here in this pop-up window, click on this Continue button. And as we click on Continue, we will see our Facebook account will get connected with Pabbly Connect in this trigger step. After making the connection, here the next thing it is going to ask us is the page. That on your Facebook account from which particular page you want to capture the new comments. So here in this drop down, you can see a list of all the pages which you have in your Facebook account. Out of all of this, the Facebook page for which we are building this AI agent is named as Arma Furniture Store. So I'm just going to search for Arma Furniture Store and select it. And we are going to capture and filter out the new comments of this particular page using this AI agent. After selecting our Facebook page, when we will click on this Save and Send Test Request button, it will just change to waiting for webhook response. So here you can see that it has now changed to waiting for webhook response, and this means Pabbly Connect, this trigger step, is waiting to capture some response of a spam comment from our Facebook page. So here what I'm going to do, I'll just go to my Facebook page, and from my account, I'm just going to make a spam comment over here. So I have already copied a comment. Let me just paste the comment. And this is the comment. Earn $500 daily, work from home now, call on this number. So this is just a spam comment over here, which you will find on any ads which you run on your Facebook page. Let me just post that comment over here. Now, as I post the comment, as we receive a new comment on our Facebook page, we will see instantly within seconds the same comment will be captured by Pabbly Connect. And here in our Pabbly Connect workflow as well, you can see that we have received the response, and in this response, we have received the details of the same comment. We have the name of the same person who has posted the comment. We have the unique ID of this person's Facebook account. We'll scroll down further, and here in front of it, you can see that this is the comment over here. This is the same comment which we have posted just now. Also, we have this unique comment ID, which we will require later on while deleting this comment. So the step 1 of building this AI agent is completed, where we have captured the new comments from our Facebook page inside Pabbly Connect by this AI agent. Now, in the next step, this AI agent is going to send the same comment to AI platforms like OpenAI to detect whether it is a spam comment or not. For that, just scroll down, come to this action step, and here in Choose App, search for OpenAI. Just select it. After selecting OpenAI, in action event from the drop-down, select the action event as ChatGPT, then just click on Connect and select Add New Connection. Now here we have to connect our OpenAI account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, we have to enter the API key of our OpenAI account. Now you must be thinking how you can get this API key. To get it, just log into your OpenAI account and go to Dashboard. After coming to Dashboard, from the left sidebar, just go to API keys and click on this Create New Secret Key button. Now after this, let me just give this secret key a name. So I'll just give it a name as AI Agent for Comment Spam Detection. Then just select the project of your OpenAI account for which you are generating this key. Select the permission as all and click on Create Secret Key. As you click on Create Secret Key, the API key is generated. Copy the API key from here and paste it over here. And after pasting it, just click on Save. And as you click on Save, we will see our OpenAI account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making the connection, the next thing it asks us is to select the AI model. That which AI model of OpenAI we want to basically use to check for the spam comment. So in the drop down here, you can see a list of all the models offered by OpenAI, offered by ChatGPT. Out of all of this, let's say I will be using GPT-4o Mini for spam detection. Then it is asking us for the prompt. That what is the prompt we want to give to OpenAI to detect the spam comments or not. So here in the prompt, you have to basically explain in detail that how or what kind of business you have, what kind of Facebook page you have, what kind of comments you get, and how to detect a spam comment, that how it is going to decide that whether this comment is spam or not. So let me just enter a prompt over here. Okay, so this is the prompt which I'm entering. The prompt says, I'm sharing the comment I'm receiving on my Facebook page and Facebook ads. Your task is to analyze the given comment and determine whether it is spam or not. Instructions. If the comment contains promotional links, scam offers, misleading information, or irrelevant content, classify it as spam. If the comment is genuine, relevant, and does not contain suspicious content, classify it as not spam. Your response must be strictly in one word only, spam or not spam. And also we have shared the response format over here, that we want the word spam for if the comment is spam and not spam if the comment is legitimate. Now in this prompt, if you want, you can enter the details of your business or your Facebook page or the ads which you are running, so that ChatGPT will get a context that which comments or what type of comments are actually legitimate comments and what type of comments are irrelevant and spam comments. So here I'm just creating a basic prompt, but you can obviously modify this prompt on your basis, on the requirement or the judgment of your definition of a spam comment. After entering the prompt over here in front of received comment, we are going to enter the same comment which we have received from Facebook. So here in the trigger step, you can see that we have received the response of a new comment. And from the trigger step responses, we have to add this same comment to this OpenAI action step in this prompt field. And to add the trigger step response in this action step, we are going to use a process of mapping. And the process of mapping is very simple. Simply click on this field of prompt here in front of received comment, and here from this drop down, here you can see a list of all the responses which you have received from Facebook of a new comment. Out of all of these responses, select the response of the message over here, the actual comment, and it will be mapped. After entering the prompt and mapping the comment, just click on Save and Send Test Request. And as you click on Save and Send Test Request, here you can see that we have received the response. And ChatGPT has detected this comment as spam over here, because we have posted a spam kind of comment over here, and it has detected and given us a one-word answer, a one-word response over here of spam. So in this way, ChatGPT can detect the response, and this AI agent is going to use ChatGPT to find out that whether the comment is spam or not. Now, if the comment is not spam, then we don't want this AI agent to do anything. It's fine. But if the comment is spam, in that case, we want this AI agent to delete this comment from the Facebook post. So what we are going to do, we are going to add a filter condition in this AI agent, in this workflow. For that, just scroll down, click on this Add Action Step button over here, and here in Choose App, select Filter. And we are going to set up a filter condition in such a way that if the comment is detected as spam by ChatGPT, then after that, only in that case, the workflow will be continued further. This AI agent will continue further, and after that, it is going to delete the comment. And if ChatGPT is going to identify the comment as not spam, then this AI agent will not delete that comment. So to set up this kind of filter, here in Action Event, just select Filter Values and click on Connect. Then after that, here in Select Label from this drop down, we are going to set up the filter condition on the basis of the response which is given by ChatGPT. So here in this drop down, you can see a list of all the responses received from previous 2 steps. Out of all of these responses, select the response of message content from this ChatGPT dropdown. From this OpenAI responses, select this label of message content. The filter type will be equals to, and the filter value will be spam. That if we get the response as spam over here for this particular label from ChatGPT from OpenAI, only in that case, the workflow will be continued further. And click on Save and Send Test Request. Now, because the comment which we have posted was a spam comment and it is detected by the OpenAI by the same as well. So that's why it is going to show us that the condition is true. And if the condition is true, if the comment is spam, we want to delete the comment. So what we are going to do in this AI agent, in this workflow, we are just going to add a last step. Here in Action Step, we will search for Facebook comments over here. Just select Facebook comments. And after that, here in Action Event from the drop down, select the action event as Delete Comment. Then just click on Connect and select Add New Connection. Now here, once again, we have to connect our same Facebook account, our same Facebook page with this Facebook Comments Action Step. For that, the process is same. Just click on this Connect with Facebook Comments button. Then here from the pop-up window, just select your account and click on Continue. And as we click on Continue, we will see our Facebook account will get connected with Pabbly Connect in this Facebook Comments Action Step as well. After making the connection, here in the drop-down of page, we have to select the exact same page which we have selected in the trigger step. So name of our page is Arma Furniture Store, and we are going to select the same Facebook page over here as well. From the drop-down, we are going to search for Arma Furniture Store and select it, the same page from which we want to delete the comment. After selecting the page, it is asking us for the comment ID, that what is the unique ID of the comment which we want to delete. So here in the trigger step responses, when we have captured the responses of our new comment, we have received this response of comment ID as well. And here we have to map the same response of comment ID in this Facebook comments delete comment action step. And the process of mapping stays the same. Just click on this field of comment ID. Here from the drop down, here you can see a list of all the responses from previous 3 steps. Out of all of them, from Facebook triggers responses of a new comment, select the response of comment ID and it will be mapped. And after mapping the comment ID, just click on Save and Send Test Request. And as you click on Save and Send Test Request, here you can see that just now this comment is deleted. The spam comment which we have posted on our Facebook page post is deleted. So we will just refresh this post once. And yes, here you can see that now the same comment is deleted over here from our Facebook page post because we have posted a spam comment. So in this way, we build this AI agent which will automatically detect the comment as spam or not from our Facebook page post or from our Facebook ads. And if the comment is spam, it will automatically delete those comments as well. Now, after building this AI agent, we are going to test it once. For that, I'm just going to post another comment on my Facebook page post. Let's say we have this particular post over here, and let's say I want to post a comment as, for example, very nice design. Okay, very nice design. So this is the comment which I'm posting. This is not a spam comment. This is a genuine comment that we like the image and it's a very nice design. Then after that, here you can see that as the comment is posted, this AI automation, this AI agent will trigger. And then the same comment will be captured, and using ChatGPT, it is going to detect that whether this particular comment is spam or not. So we will just go to the history of this workflow over here. And here in the history, you can see that the workflow is triggered. When we posted the comment, the same comment is captured by Pabbly Connect, by this AI agent. Very nice design. After capturing the comment, the same comment was sent to ChatGPT, and ChatGPT has detected this comment as not spam. And because the comment is not spam, the filter has failed over here, which means the AI agent stopped and did not delete the comment. So this AI agent is working perfectly fine, and we have tested it in real time. So not just this, you can build AI agents and automate a lot of your business tasks and processes. Also, let me tell you, you will get a clone link of this exact same AI agent, of this exact same workflow in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can just clone this same AI agent into your own Pabbly Connect account and start using it for free. Also, let me tell you, Pabbly Connect offers you a free plan. And in this plan, you will get some free tasks every month into your own Pabbly Connect account. So if you want to try and test this automation, this AI agent, you can just do it for absolutely free.
So if this video was helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with others, or if you have any kind of doubts or queries, you can always write us in the comment box below or email us at support@pabbly.com. Also, you can post your queries on our forum as well. And if you want to check the pricing of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this link. So this is it for today's video. Thank you. Have a great day.